Here we are right now. We're at a 591. I'm going to read the earnings report. Google beats by 91 cents. Beats on the revs. 91 cents better. The other thing I would like to tell people about this great earnings report is that people had left Google for dead. And that the calendar year of 2011, our last biggest trade outside of this one today was back in October of 2010. And that Google had been punished, that they had executed well in the last earnings and they manipulated it because they didn't like Page. Well, I can tell you what, Page has delivered. And what Page said in the last quarter, in April when I was in California, is that we will grow our business and we will hire people accordingly. And basically that's what they've been doing, is executing. Now, let's get back into the report. So Google sites and sites of our AdSense partners increased 12% over the second quarter 2010 and increased 6% over the first quarter 2011. Aggregate paid clicks, which include clicks related to ads served on Google sites and the sites of our AdSense partners, increased 18% over the second quarter. That's called networking, my folks. So basically, what I want to say is that the net headcount growth, now here's what Wall Street doesn't like, and here's what they didn't like in the last quarter. They added another 450 employees hired as part of the acquisition of ITA Software. Was similar to the first quarter of 2011. What Wall Street hated was, I'm going to hire people in America and I'm going to put people to work and I'm going to grow my business. And the last quarter they did just the opposite of what people are seeing here today. And Page came back, he delivered it. I don't know if he's going to talk on the conference call, but there's a couple of things I would like to say is that, listen to this. Non-GAAP operating income in the second quarter 2011 was $3.32 billion, or 30% of the revenues, which is okay. The operating income of $2.67 billion, or 39% of revenues in the second quarter of 2010. So basically, they're keeping things in line in my view. What they are saying, though, related to $2.97 billion in the second quarter 2011, or 33% of the revenues, compared to $1.99 billion in the second quarter 2010, or 29% of the revenues. So they blew out this number. Once again, the initial high was about 592 or so, and we closed at 528. The low was 526. That's a $60 pop. And the shorts were all over Google. They had left Google for dead, meaning that they had given up on the leading innovator company in the United States of America. This is the kind of number that will set a bull tone in the internet stocks. We'll see gap ups on Amazon, Baidu. Well, we got Netflix. We bought it at the bottom of the day. We bought quite a few of them that got beaten down, but Google will set the tone for the earnings season, and this is what the bull needed to keep that bull rally going, was that the bellwether, as we said all week. Go to stockmarketfunding.com and take a look at our analysis that we did last Saturday and Sunday on Google, and how we were getting those up and out of the money calls, and this is how you get paid. But now, let us be truthful about it, as we always are. We did have some put option in case it would have went the other way. We would have, been able to hedge our losses. So we'll lose a little teeny bit of fraction money, but we are sure going to make a lot of money. And Google is going to be the talk. You'll have pullbacks. You will have people who will come out and probably even try to downgrade it. So the analysts were wrong. All of them were. And SMF was right. StockMarketFunding.com called it here and now. Let the truth be known. Let us not be in denial of the truth.